Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I have another what I eat in a day video for you. So let's hop right into it. So for breakfast I had some tofu scramble Southwest breakfast tacos. So I started off by sauteing some onions and peppers. I seasoned it with some sea salt and black pepper. Then I crumbled in some extra firm tofu and I seasoned that with some sea salt, black pepper, garlic powder, a half teaspoon of ground cumin, and a half teaspoon of turmeric. Now I'm adding in some sweet potatoes that I baked. I just added some salt, pepper, garlic powder, chili powder, and smoked paprika to them. And I'm adding in some black beans. Put these on top of some corn tortillas that I browned in a pan, and they're nice and crunchy and delicious. For lunch I had some hummus flatbread. This is the bread I'm using. It's made from flax flour and it's called lavash bread. I'm spreading some of this hummus on it I got from Trader Joe's. And I'm also going to top it with some red onions, tomatoes, and spinach. Sprinkle on some garlic powder and some crushed red pepper flakes. I'm going to bake it at 425 for about 15 to 20 minutes until it's browned at the bottom. For dinner, I had some creamy chickpea pasta, so I'm adding 3/4 cups of veggie broth into a blender. This is actually just water, but I'm going to add the veggie paste at the end because I forgot to add it before. And I'm adding 1 cup of soaked cashews. I soaked these overnight, but you can just pour boiling water over it and have it soak for about 15 to 20 minutes. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, just a dash of cayenne pepper, a half teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, and I'm adding 2 teaspoons of this vegetable base, and 1 cup of cooked cauliflower. Now I'm just sauteing some peppers, onions, and 1 package of sliced baby bella mushrooms, and I seasoned it with some sea salt and black pepper. Now my spatula is blue because I made some blueberry oat bars and it got stained, so don't use a wooden spatula when handling blueberries. Once everything is finished, I'm adding some of this chickpea pasta and then pouring the cream sauce on top. Adding in some spinach. I meant to add in 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. I forgot, so if you make this, then that will be a good touch to it. And that is it. This is everything that I ate today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye!